Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys an outfit from scratch that I've made for me and my entire family for Diwali. So it's going to be like a cute matchy outfit situation. And this time around, it's not only going to be an outfit for me, my mom and dad, but we're going to be making an outfit for Aditya as well. So I remember doing this a few years ago and I'm not sure if I posted a YouTube video about it. If I did, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. But I really wanted to do it again this time around because I remember when we wore those matching outfits, we decided to take a lot of pictures and we always look back at those pictures. So I wanted to create that memory again. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so today is the day that I'm gonna be going to buy the cloth. I am a little bit nervous, especially because of the last experience that I've had. So last time around when I made an outfit, my mom and my outfit turned out really well, but my dad's outfit was a little bit of a disaster. He did not like it at all because he said it looked like a PJ set, which is so true in hindsight. It was silk ka kurta was looking really funny. And obviously I don't have experience in making male clothing. So this time around I'm going to be even more cautious. And to be honest, I'm going to be a little bit more basic so that I don't screw this up. And of course, this time around I'm making 2 male outfits, not just one. So I've done my research and that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. My inspo, my mood board, the colors. So let's get started. I'm going to get ready and talk to you guys. Now for my skincare, I'm going to be using the Hyphen's Barrier Care Cream. I've spoken about this product to you guys in the past as well. I believe I've been using this for 2 months at this point. And by the way, if you didn't know, this product comes in 2 different variants. So one for oily to combination skin type and then the other one for normal to dry. Of course, I'm using the oily combination variant right here. Now this has 6 natural and active ingredients and I will say it's so soothing on the skin. Having oily skin means my most important priority when it comes to moisturizers or creams is that they need to be lightweight, they need to absorb instantly into my skin, they can't be greasy, they can't be chip, and this is none of those things. Within seconds, it just seeps into your skin. It's very lightweight and it's perfect underneath makeup as well. Moreover, it's non-comedogenic, which is perfect for people who have oily skin like me. So I'll make sure to leave a link of this product in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out for yourself. Okay, so now talking about the outfits. I think I'm going to start with the guys' outfits. So like my dad and Aditya's. For my dad, I've decided to do a kurta with a pajama with a jacket. You know, the ethnic jackets that you get, and then the kapda of the jacket will be the same as my mom's outfit, and then the rest can remain like a normal regular solid colored kapda. I think that is what I'm going to be doing for my dad as of now. 99% wahi hai. Now for Aditya, I really like Aditya in this one kurta that he has. It's a chikankari kurta. It's a very regular looking kurta to be very honest, but वो कपड़ा इतना भारी है तो एकदम heavy लगता है outfit. So I just want to recreate the same thing, copy paste the same thing in a different cloth, in a different color. I really don't want to leave room for experimentation and leave room to go wrong essentially. So I'm just gonna be copy pasting his already existing outfit in a different color and a different style. Now as for my mom, I want my mom to wear an anarkali. Number one, because she doesn't wear a lot of anarkalis and I feel like she looks really nice in anarkalis. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have a few options shortlisted for her. Anarkalis I feel like are so timeless. They're so graceful and I feel like it look really pretty on my mom. Mom के लिए मैं साथ में एक पोटली बैग भी बनाने बोल दूंगी. Just like as a matching quotient. Same kapde ka hi. I love that look where, you know, people wear lehengas and lehenge ke same kapde ka potli bag hota hai ya bag, matching bag hota hai. So that's what I'm gonna do for her. I feel like when you're making an outfit from scratch, you should definitely get a bag made, a matching bag. वरना आप कभी ready-made outfit खरीदने जाओगे तभी वो exact same कपड़े का bag मिलना is almost impossible. So I feel like you should take advantage of whenever you're making outfit from scratch. You should get a matching bag made and you hardly need थोड़ा सा extra kapda for a matching bag to come out of it. So definitely keep that in mind. On to my outfit. Okay, so for my outfit, I wanted to do something Indo-Western because I feel like I really like wearing Indo-Western outfits for occasions like Diwali. If it's like a shadi or if it's like a big event, I personally love lehengas. I felt personally like lehenga would be a little bit too much for Diwali because हम Diwali मनाते हैं obviously, but it's not like a super grand level पे celebration, if that makes any sense. So lehenga would have been a bit too much. So I wanted to do something very easy breezy but obviously very ethnic at the same time. So for me, I'm doing a corset style top almost with palazzo pants. Now I did actually find an inspo picture on Pinterest. I'll pop up the designer's name as well. I feel like I want to recreate that exact same thing, but for the back, I want to do like a tie-up, crisscross, backless back almost. I don't think the original designer में ऐसा back है. I think एक simple back ही है उसमें, but मुझे वो दोनों elements को combine करके एक outfit बनाना है. So full credit to the designer who's come up with the design. It's not my original idea by any means. Okay, let's talk about the color scheme. Now, I honestly really wanted to do navy blue or like a cobalt blue situation, but I realized that the last time around when I made an outfit from scratch for my family, it was a shade of blue. It was like a powder blue. I loved that outfit that I created for myself and I just loved that color. But I thought कुछ अलग करते हैं. But मुझे jewel tone ही करना था. मुझे कोई pastel color नहीं करना था. Definitely wanted it to be bold. So I feel like as of now, I am leaning towards like a purple, like a amethyst purple color. I really wanted to do red, but I feel like red is a very shadi color. So maybe I'll skip out on that for Diwali. And I also am leaning towards like a emerald green, like a super deep dark green. Now all of this honestly really depends on what kind of kapda I end up finding. Talking about the kapda, my heart says chicken curry. Kapda for sure. I love chicken curry, you guys know that. But I am going to try to experiment in terms of कि अगर मुझे कोई अलग कपड़ा मिला तो मैं शायद एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगी, बट थोड़ा सा मेरा मन चिकन करी पे ही है बिकॉज इट जस्ट लुक्स सो प्रिटी एंड एलिगेंट इन माई ओपिनियन एंड इट लुक्स ग्रेट बोथ ऑन विमेन एंड मेन. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. ऑब्वियसली ये सारी बातें हवे में है. देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन आई एम trying to make an outfit from scratch and then I end up going to the shop and I don't find anything that I'm envisioning. So this is a base idea. It's always good to have a plan, but not necessarily you're going to be able to stick to that plan. Remember that. So that's basically it. I'm all ready as well. Let's go and let's get shopping. So I found this one कपड़ा एकदम सभ्यसाची vibes दे रहा है, but I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा heavy हो जाएगा. Not the vibe? Too हल्का?
Yeah.
ये मेरे पे तो अच्छा लगेगा, बट बॉयज पे कैसा लगेगा पता नहीं. ये आपको उस पे लगा के दिखाओ ना, वो कुर्ते के उस पे. जैकेट तो भी ठीक लगेगा.
हाँ.
फुल आई थिंक ये मुझे काफ़ी फैसिनेटिंग कूल न्यू आइटम लगी. बुरा तो नहीं लग रहा है, बट बहुत अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है. क्या ये बनने के बाद इससे भी अच्छा लगेगा. ये तो खाली नॉर्मल रख के देख रहे हैं ना. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग जो आते ही हमने स्पॉट किया था. बट ये कैसा लग रहा है भैया? ये निकालना ना, मैं एक बार खुद पे लगा के देखती हूँ. वो देख इसका नीचे का पार्ट. ओह इट्स नॉट फुल ऐसा.
अभी थोड़ा
अनारकली के लिए परफेक्ट होगा. कितना कूल मटेरियल है ये. इनके पास कुछ अलग ही कलेक्शन है इस बार. ये भी और यहाँ पे भी. ये देख मॉमेड. ओ माय गॉड, मेरे अगर इंट्रो के टाइम पे मिलता ना ऐसा कुछ बनवाती हूँ. कूल है काफ़ी. बाय द वे गाइज, हम मैचिंग आउटफिट्स बनाने आए तो हम खुद भी मैचिंग आउटफिट्स पहन के आए हैं. सबसे ईजी सोल्यूशन इज़ टू बाय चिकन करी एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ लुकिंग गुड ऑन माई स्किन टोन ऑल्सो. क्या लग रहा है तुझे? क्या लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइक वी कैन ट्राई. यू हैवंट ट्राइड दिस कलर.
बट देन इसमें व्हाट विल वी डू फॉर द बॉयज? प्लेन कलर का एक साथ में लेना पड़ेगा. ऐसा कलर क्यों अलग लग रहा है? अस्तर डालना है इसके लिए. ट्राइंग दिस फॉर द लेडीज़ वाला जो उनके पास सिलवेट है. देखते हैं इसमें कैसा लगता है. इवन तो मैं लहंगा नहीं कर रही हूँ, तात ने ये एक सैटिन लाया है बट कैमरा पे बहुत ही अलग शेड्स लग रहे हैं. उतने रियल लाइफ में उतने अलग नहीं है बट आई थिंक वी कैन फाइंड बेटर.
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है गाइस मृदुल को.
What's new? I think we've exhausted all of our options in that purple tone. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास है बहुत सारे white options in chicken curry, which is my favorite. So most probably we're considering just dyeing it. वो पूछने गए कि अगर कल शाम तक हो सकता है because we're on a little bit of a schedule. So if we're able to get it by tomorrow, most probably we'll get it dyed. अच्छा है ना बढ़िया? I think pretty एकदम very beautiful. सो बेसिकली इन एडवांस मैं ऑलरेडी अपने टेलर आंटी को बोल देती हूँ कि मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए विथ रेफरेंसेस. सो शी सेंड्स मी कितना मीटर किसके लिए चाहिए. एंड नाउ वी हैव डन सम काइंड ऑफ मैथ विच आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स एक्यूरेट बट कुछ तो किया हमने. ये डाइंग के लिए देना है. ये सब रेडीमेड है तो ये सब हमें चाहिए. फाइनली कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द एंड. काफ़ी खर्चा होने वाला है अभी हमारा फिलहाल. सो क्यूट. शुड आई जस्ट बाय इट एंड कीप इट? I don't know what I'll do, but it's so pretty. Do you think थोड़ा tacky है but अब थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
For a lehenga it's tacky but for a dress it is not.
Yeah. Okay, so ये वाला कपड़ा मुझे बहुत पसंद आया and मधुरा ने एक बहुत ही genius idea दिया है which is
So for her मेहंदी what she can do is she can wear a dress like make a dress out of it.
Yeah.
ऐसा नीचे नीचे.
Correct.
बस सही है.
मुझे भी थोड़ा मन तो हो गया कि मैं ले लूँ ये. पता नहीं कब यूज करूंगी. भैया सो स्वीट. ही गॉट अ लाइनिंग फॉर अस टू सी कैसा लग रहा है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? इस पे डार्क पर्पल डालेंगे वो भी चलेगा? नहीं यही ना. हाँ वो तो है. क्या लग रहा है? लेना है कि नहीं लेना?
अच्छा तो दिख रहा है.
एकदम न्यू डिजाइन और कलर भी बहुत अच्छा है.
एंड द डैमेज हैज बीन डन. ये अब रिचुअल हो गया है. वी आर ट्रीटिंग आवरसेल्व्स टू सम chart. Okay, so it's been like a week, a little bit less than a week actually, and our outfits are ready. So हम एक एक करके सबको रिवील करते हैं outfits क्या. मैंने खुद ने भी अभी तक देखे नहीं outfits. So let's get started. So we have contender number 1 right here. Bakra number 1.
Oh my god, you're giving me
So my mom already knows. What stress? You don't have any stress.
Scaring.
Why scared? So my mom actually already knows the outfit, her design. She's asked me 100 times. She's already opened the bag and seen.
Open the bag, that doesn't mean that I've seen the outfit and the
She knows it. She has
material and
an
everything.
idea. So are you ready to see it? You know the color already.
Yeah.
But let's see how it looks like once you open it. Even I haven't seen it by the way yet.
I'm sure it must be very good.
So there you go.
Wow. Wow, it's so pretty. I really love it, huh? Sache.
I don't think you have a color like this.
No.
Purples and like lavenders are my mom's favorite color.
No, I don't have any.
Yeah, any of those colors.
It's really, I love the embroidery also. With this golden thing, it's superb.
Diwali outfit on point.
Wow, I really love it. It's very nice.
It's an anarkali, by the way. Already, she already knows. She's already asked our tailor. She messaged her, "मुझे design क्या है भेजो." So she knows everything already.
Yeah, because I know what I like to wear.
अरे lip gloss लगा रही. Next up, we have my dad, who has no idea what is going on. I'll explain quickly. Diwali का outfit बनाया मैंने. My dad is very scarred from the last time I made a Diwali outfit because उनका Diwali outfit kind of looked like a night dress.
We will compare it.
Yeah, no, this time will be better for sure. Let me quickly show you what I've made for you. ये एक कुर्ता है.
Good color.
Good color. Still looks like night dress little bit. Night dress का झब्बा. And then there is a jacket also.
Wow. Good.
बस इतना ही. It matches मम्मी's outfit exactly. It's from the same कपड़ा and pant.
Wow.
Better than last time.
Yes. Last time वाला दे दिया हमने.
किसी को डोनेट कर दिया.
Car washer.
Okay, on to the next person. Lastly, we have Aditya. Are you excited to see outfit? I mean, you can already see it at this point. देख लो क्या लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है.
So color is nice. I like the color. I think it's pretty much to what the reference that I had sent.
Yeah.
Quite similar to it.
Yeah.
I think I like it.
So actually, even I really like this one particular kurta that Aditya has. So हमने वही same kurta टेला आंटी को भेज दिया so that she could get the measurements and the actual layout also right. Layout या silhouette. I feel like that's a better word for an outfit. So are you happy with the way it looks?
Yes, I think I like it.
Of course we'll find out once you wear it, but I think it'll look good. Even the color.
Color is good, yeah.
Yeah, because I took this color into consideration, thinking कि ये मेरे पे सूट होगा तो सब पे सूट होने ही वाला है, because my skin tone is the darkest amongst everyone, and I feel like my skin tone is also the trickiest. But I think it'll look good on you also.
I think so too.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I love it.
Okay, so मैं मेरा भी outfit देख ही लेती हूँ. मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं है, मेरे लैप पे पड़ा है, but I have no idea what it's gonna look like. Okay, so this is my top. My mom behind is like.
No, I'm just thinking with that what?
So it's like a corset style kurta almost with a really cool back. And then we have palazzo pants. Kafi basic hai palazzo pants. But yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. It's the exact matching of Aditya's. And yeah, let's, I feel like, get on with getting ready. And with that, we've come towards the end of today's video. I am in love with the way my outfit has turned out and everyone's outfit has turned out, especially together. It looked so pretty. If you've made it so far, don't forget to leave this purple emoji right here in the comments down below. Also, make sure to rate my outfit out of 10. I'm really curious to know what you guys think about it. Also, I hope that this video serves kind of like an inspiration. Maybe you too can try this activity out with your family and take a few pictures so that you can remember this Diwali for the rest of your life. Of course, don't forget to go and check out Hyphen products. I'm gonna make sure to leave them linked in the description box below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!